Hi there, I'm Michael, and the next video you will see is a dance out of the home workshop series called Stay Home and Dance 2020. Take care and see you all again on the floor. Bye bye. Hi there, I'm Michael, and I'm here to show you one of the new dances out of this home workshop series, Stay Home and Dance 2020. This dance is called My Oklahoma Home, to the same song by Mike Denver. It's a 32 count 4-wall line dance without a tag, without a restart, just an easy finish. So let's start with the steps. Section 1. Cross, rock, chasse side, half turn, chasse left and rock, recover. Section 2. Side behind, quarter turn to the right, shuffle forward, kick and point, kick and point. Section 3. Cross rock, recover, quarter turn to the left and a chasse to the left, chasse side, cross unwind, shift your weight on the left foot and do a cross side heel. Cross side heel. The last section, section 4, is put your right foot together to your left and cross, side, rock, behind, quarter and step with a shuffle forward. That's the whole dance. Let's put all the steps together. 7, 8. Cross rock, recover, chasse side, turn, chasse side and rock, back, side, behind, quarter turn, shuffle forward, kick, ball, point, cross rock, recover, quarter turn, chasse side, cross unwind, cross and heel and cross, side, rock, behind, turn, step and shuffle forward. All the counts. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 7 and 8. At the end, in round 11, there is an easy finish, so we are able to finish at 12 to greet the singers. And this last round starts at 6 o'clock, and we can do the whole thing together. So let's start round 11 facing 6 o'clock with a cross, rock and chasse side, turn, chasse side, rock, back and side, right and a quarter, shuffle, kick and point, cross, rock, quarter, chasse side, cross, unwind, cross and heel and cross, side, rock, behind, turn, step. And the last two counts, 7 and 8, is another quarter to the left with a shuffle forward, tap on the brim of your head and greet the singers or clap for the great job they did. Hope you will enjoy. And by the way, there is another dance out there to the same piece of music. It's a partner dance version to the similar steps, and this partner dance is called Our